Why? Let me braid. Look. Look at this.
That is a really good look. That is the best.
The best braid ever. Eloise daw. See. What is gum? Jello. Look. Good try, Matthias. Good try. Look, braid. Guys, yummy. The yummy, Louise? Wow. Yeah. Just stolen shots. It's more nice of stolen shots. Yes, go. Other side na to?
Oh, now that it's stuck in there.
Right there. Oh! Spider is stuck. Namad na siya, namad. Matigas din eh. Matigas siya pa. Babies! Spiders! Yay! There's one more? Ah! Yay!
It's gonna be on the ceiling. Oh.
Go, Zeke.
Okay.
Uy! That's my mind! It did! Pumpkin.
Use.
Look at Auntie did.
I was eating. I'm gonna smell.
Just let them there doing their crafts thing. You guys, art?
My done.
Yeah, you're done? Oh. Yes, look. Yeah.
And he's made out of coal.
That's cute. Hala. He's dead waiting someone. Let's go. Uy! Trick or treat.
Are we one of the first ones here? Because they don't have very much food.
Trick or treat. Oh, you have already last for 2 house. Yeah, Louis too. 1 year supply of candy. Oh, napay paslag sa ilahang kuan. It's right there. Look.
Yeah.
We thought there's no one. Thank you. Hello. Nagpray paslight. Go. You got candy? You know one in there, huh? They just put candy bucket in there.
For their house?
Mm-hmm.
To make it a
So if
town?
there's trick-or-treaters, they can have candy.
To make it scary?
Not scary. Hindi trick-or-treating sa neighborhood. Sa akong kuan.
Magic pretzels. Maybe they give you spooky powers.
Hi, boss. Say thank you. Come on. Oh, chicken. What to do? That's cute. That's so cute. Oh, they just left in there.
Jake, what you doing?
It's an easy task.
Easy task.
The moon's a pumpkin grinning wide. Candy dreams where ghosts reside. Tiptoe footsteps leaves that crunch. Whispered sea. Thank you for watching. Gunta may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.